Good morning, everyone. We usually admire a flower for its beauty and fragrance. But what was the reason behind its beauty and its fragrance? Let's do. Today I'll be doing the chapter flower. सबसे पहला आता है पेडिसल, जो इसको होल्ड करता है, इसको सपोर्ट करता है. This part is known as pedicel. उसके ऊपर आता है थैलेमस, जो पूरे स्ट्रक्चर को होल्ड करके रखता है, उसको संभाल के रखता है. This is थैलेमस. उसके बाद आता है कैलिक्स. एक लीफ को बोलते हैं सेपल और दोनों का ग्रुप को कहते हैं कैलिक्स. यूजुअली 5 होते हैं. दिस इज पेडिसल, कैलिक्स एंड थैलेमस. देन कम्स corolla. A single corolla is known as petal. Its main function is to attract insects for pollination. A group of petals is known as corolla. Then comes androecium and gynoecium, which are the female reproductive parts of a flower. This is a female reproductive part. It consists of stigma, style and ovary. Ovary consists of ovules which are connected by placenta. And then comes androecium, which is the male reproductive part. It's like this. The upper part is known as anther. This is known as filament. The male reproductive part has 2 locules in which pollen sacs are present and pollen grains are present inside the pollen sac. It's not just what keeps us from floating away. ठीक है, अगर ग्रेविटी ना होती तो हम फ्लोट करके कहीं भी पहुंच सकते थे, कोई आइडिया नहीं, राइट? It's what holds the planets in orbit, what pulls rain to the ground, what keeps oceans in place, and what makes life on Earth possible. It's a quiet force, but without it, even for 5 seconds, the world would begin to collapse into chaos. Although absence of gravity seems a fun situation, like कितना मजा आएगा, उड़ रहोगे and सब कुछ उड़ रहेगा साथ में, बिल्कुल birds की तरह, right? और जो इक्वेटर के पास जो lack of gravity फील होएगी, it's like सबसे ज़्यादा वहीं पे फील होएगी कि it's like 6 times ज़्यादा होएगी जो साइक्लोन से प्रोड्यूस होती है. सोचो अगर साइक्लोन से ही हमारी हालत खराब हो जाती है, 6 times of cyclone कितना होएगा? So what if gravity disappeared for 5 seconds? The world would rise and fall, but you'd understand how powerful the unseen truly is. And maybe, just maybe, you never take the ground beneath your feet for granted again. Thank you.